everybody, it's Camila, the registered dietitian here in North Central. Today we're going to be creating one of my favorite sweet treats, and we modified it to be low in calories and low in sugar. Today we're going to be making some banana pudding. Bananas are one of my favorite fruit. It's a great source of potassium as well as a great source of vitamin C and vitamin B6. To make this recipe, we're going to be using some sugar-free vanilla pudding. We're also using some mini vanilla wafers. We're using Cool Whip, and we got the light version to make sure it's low in calories. Fat-free milk. And of course, our main ingredients, bananas. To start, we're going to add our pudding mix to a small bowl. And we're going to take our milk and add about 1.5 cups. Next, we're going to whisk this for about 3 minutes. If you don't have a whisk at home, you can also use a fork. Okay, great. Now we're going to take about 1/2 cup of this Cool Whip, and we're going to fold it into the banana pudding mixture. This is going to make sure the banana pudding is creamy. I'm going to set this aside. Now we're going to cut our bananas. And we're just going to slice them into thin slices. Our next step is we're going to take these vanilla wafers. We are going to line the bottom of our bowl. This next step is optional, but if you want to have some soft vanilla wafers, you can take a little bit of milk and slowly drizzle over them. And then next, we're going to take our bananas and top them. We're going to take our banana pudding mix, and we're just going to put about 1/3 of it on top. Make sure you smooth out the edges. And so now we're going to repeat this process of vanilla wafers and bananas until we are left with no more banana pudding. And lastly, we're going to finish it up with some Cool Whip topping, about another 1/2 cup. We're going to spread it on top. All right, so let's dig in. That is some good banana pudding, just like my grandma used to make, but with half the calories and half the sugar. Have a great day, everyone.